Few layers of shingles, which meant there's 4 layers on the end here, and that never did get sealed properly right here along the boot. So we have actually nothing. It was kind of, you would not want to step on this. So we're going to replace all that. It's at the point where it's starting to get into the what you might call a rafter in the mobile home business, but it's going to be alright. We're going to replace that plywood, we're going to put in wood around the cut edges, and then we're going to put felt paper on it. We're going to put new shingles on it, even though the shingles are just there for paper, to shed water like a regular shingle roof. And I'll show you a couple pictures as we go. Alright, we've took out the old plywood, put in 2x along the edges. Everything's done with screws, no nails, staples. We've got the felt paper cut. We're fixing to put that down.